Oh my god.
Alright, so that's Xena right there. Yeah, we were gonna do the video for the aftermath of the exhaust. But I'm getting thirsty and we want Dutch. So I'm just gonna make a quickie video how it sounds right now. I just did the start. I'm gonna give it a little rev and I'm gonna do flybys right here in the neighborhood. It'll be easier instead of going to the other place that we did. Well, where she did the videos of the stock exhaust. So here we go. That's the exhaust that I ended up getting for the truck. Para la mamalona. No quema cut. You already know. What are you doing?
It sounds like it doesn't close.
It is closed. It says right there. Look at tripping out. Look at her. Hey. See? Already fucking out my shit.
It's on my way.
My fucking sombrero, man. You gotta have a sombrero if you're gonna be driving a truck. Yeah, that's the code.
Do they have a code clearance?
It's an older code, sir, but it checks out.
So anyways, I guess it's gonna be the cockpit sound.
Why you got pills in here?
Shit. I've been out here, goddamn me, waiting to see what I come up with, goddamn.
Because I was sick. Those are medicines. Hey, where's the stand? Did you close the garage?
No.
Fuck. Puras fallas. She didn't close the garage. Where's the stand?
In the garage?
Damn. Alright. Well. What's your opinion on an exhaust like that?
I like it. It's not too annoying nor too quiet.
Yeah.
Great.
So this is the Flowmaster's super 10. Then I end up getting on the truck. I end up doing the mid section side pipe with the super 12 muffler. I mean super 10. Sorry. Yeah, super 10. Flowmasters. Which you guys are going to see or just seen it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna end up doing the video, but I did provide a video. I didn't, but Xena over here did. Pinche Mustang was doing a burnout outside, so no tenía el foco prendido. She was so focused on recording the truck. That's something that would have been nice added to the video. And wow, look at this. I guess she was right. Garage is open. Como vivimos en la land de no rateros.
Snatch and run, y'all! Come back here, you motherfucker, you son of a bitch!
We don't have to fucking worry about shit.
Our garage has been open at night.
It's been open at night. Nothing has happened, thank God. Fuck, I don't have wood. I'm gonna knock on that bitch. No hace falta que algo pase un día en los carga la verga. Right? Better knock on wood, man. Yeah, fuck. See? I thought you said that was outside.
This was outside.
I mean inside, in the garage.
No, I thought this was outside.
Someone come look at this. Someone come look at this.
I said it was outside.
Look at this. Look at this. ¿Cómo no es el güerillo ese que en los memes?
I don't know.
That's what we be doing, man. Hell yeah. But anyways, so I'm happy with the exhaust. I'm happy with the work that the guy did. He actually welded the pipes pretty damn good. Shout out to that guy. What was his name again? I forgot his name. Well, shout out to the technician who did the work on the truck
559.
at 559.
Pro exhaust.
So I'm also gonna provide his work. So if anybody who lives around Fresno or in Fresno, make sure to go to his shop. He helps people pretty good. He hooks you up.
His work is pretty
His
clean.
work is clean. His walls are clean. He just started his business, so
And he finished pretty fast too.
yeah, he finished the work pretty fast. He wasn't lagging. He's a really good guy who you should take your cars to get worked on. If you need any mufflers or exhaust done into it. Which Dutch Bros?
To the Herndon one.
Oh,
Could've taken
So-
it through
so yeah. Why?
it. Huh?
Why? What if I want to drive the truck?
Okay, then drive it.
See? Look at this. Fuck, man. Take the freeway. What the fuck?
And you guys complain that I take the streets when you guys tell me. to
Yeah,
take
but
the
it's
freeway.
Sunday. There's no traffic. People are in church, man.
Soy marihuana y me vale madre, me encanta mucho la pichi, mota los 10, se empieza a fumar.
Power. Yeah, they always laugh at me because I don't have a sports car. I don't have a race car.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
It's all right. It's cool. I'm working my truck from the ground. From the ground. But this truck has, what, years with us. We got it brand new.
What? 5 years? 5, 6
No,
years?
like 5, no, maybe 7. Yeah, we got this truck kind of new, so my pops didn't want it no more, so I ended up buying it off of him. But they make fun of me, man. Look at them. They're always
I'm
making
not
fun of me.
saying anything.
If it's not her, it's my brother. They're saying troqueando cuz and saying a bunch of other shit. Que no
You
quiero.
guys don't want to burn out.
Yeah, they want me to burn out because I got a truck. God damn. Like, what the fuck? Tacuachando, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck no. They're gonna say, oh, look at Toretto. Look at little Toretto. Look at fat boy Toretto. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, and by the way, hit up Xena if you need. Yeah. Little stickers right there. Can't see shit. I'm gonna leave this because I'm a fucking crash. Yeah, iba a valer verga tacuachando. So I see you guys in a bit. drop kit next week. Get that on. Stay tacuachando, cuz.